Today I am doing a Phonk tier list. The first song is Montajum Tomata.
La vida es un carrusel, 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 carrusel. La vida es un carrusel, 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 carrusel.
It's a decent song, but it's too overplayed and not really my style, so it has to go in C tier. So now the next song is Dia Delicia.
Vai, saca, 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 secou.
Ela cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô.
Vai, saca, 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 secou.
Ela tá cheia de tesão e eu arregaço esse popô. Ela tá cheia.
This song is absolute fucking garbage and one of the worst damn Phonk songs heard in my life, F tier for sure. Next is Climber Lindo. What kind of low fi shit is this? Not my style at all, and it's not even a damn Phonk song. D tier. Next is Vem Vem. It was pretty good. I like the vibe and style of the song, so I will put it at a tier. Next is Phonk de Beleza. The song was alright. I don't really hate it, but I don't love it, so it will go C tier.